Hello guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub Talend Tutorials. In the previous lecture, we have seen about how to use it, how to make a connection from Talend Studio to the AWS S3 bucket, and as well as we have also seen about how to check whether a bucket exists in the S3 bucket or not. And in this particular video, I am going to explain you guys about how to use the S3, like how to create a bucket in the S3 from the Talend Studio, as well as how to delete it from Talend Studio. And it will almost related to the previous S3 connection and the bucket list. I'm going to use those two components also here in this video. So now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Here I'm going to create a new job here with the name tS3create underscore tS3delete and demo. And as part of the first step, I'm just creating a connection from Talend Studio to the S3 AWS S3. So for that I'm using tS3 connection, and this is the basic step that I'm doing in this particular series of videos. And I'm Control C, and similarly here the secret key, you need to paste it here. Don't worry about these credentials guys, I'm gonna change it later. I'm just using it as a part of some demo purposes. And then I'm using the tBucketExist component because I want to check whether I'm going to create a bucket only if it doesn't exist in the S3 bucket already. If already exists, then I'm going to delete that. So that is my workflow here that I'm going to create. Sorry, I created this one. tS3BucketExist. And I'm using the existing connection here, and I'm giving the name as something like Cognitive Hub. And I'm connecting it as on subjob. OK. And now if this particular bucket exists, then I'm gonna delete that. If it is not, then I'm gonna create it. So for the first thing, let's go to the S3 one. So if you check on this one, these are the only 4 buckets that I have right now in my S3 AWS S3. So what I'm gonna do is, so right now this particular Cognitive Hub bucket is not there in my S3 bucket, so I'm gonna create one. So for that, tS3, we have an option for tS3BucketCreate. So I'm using existing connection here, and the bucket name should be whatever the one that you have mentioned here in the bucket exist. Control C, I'm pasting it here, that's it. And I'm using if condition. So I want to do this only if this particular bucket does not exist. That means the false condition. I'm putting a not condition here in front of this expression. So if the bucket exists, then it will return true. If and in that case, not in the sense false. If the bucket does not exist, it will return false, and not means true. So it is gonna create a bucket with Cognitive Hub, and once it got created, I want to close the connection as well as part of the last step. So for that, it automatically takes the S3 connection. I'm connecting it with on subjob. OK. So for now, this is one workflow. Let us test this one first. So our expected output is, right now we don't have any buckets here, but after that, after running this job, we are gonna expect a new bucket here. So let's see what is it. So OK, true, and OK. So it is saying like the job got successfully executed. And if I go and refresh this one, the S3 management, the dashboard, so now I am supposed to see the Cognitive Hub bucket. So if you see this is the new bucket that it got created. So this is how, if you open this, it is empty, but it got created. So now what I'm going to do is, so this is the condition if there is a bucket exists. So what if the bucket is already exists? So let us assume for this scenario, if the bucket is already exists, then I'm going to delete that one. So tS3BucketDelete, I'm going to use this. I'm using if condition here, and the if condition should be, if the bucket exists. That means if it is true, then I'm gonna delete that. What I'm gonna delete? I'm gonna delete the bucket name Cognitive Hub. I'm using a copy paste here just to avoid naming conflicts. And once that is done, I'm gonna close the S3 connection using tS3 close. That's it. Let's see what it is gonna do now. I'm running it. So if you observe the flow here, first of all it will make a S3 connection, and then it will check whether the bucket exists, and yes, the bucket exists. So that's why instead of going to the down flow, it is going to the right flow here, and then it is saying like the connection got closed. Now if I do a refresh again here, now the Cognitive Hub bucket does not exist here. So that means it got deleted. So this is how the bucket creation and bucket deletion will happen using the pre-check known as bucket exist. So far we have done with S3 how to make a connection to the S3 from Talend Studio, and how to create a bucket in S3, and how to delete a bucket, and how to check whether a particular bucket exists in the S3 dashboard or not. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.